Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. Do you like my kurta and my look today? Today's video is in collaboration with the Irki Production House. They are an apparel wear brand which focus on reviving the country's richest art forms. So this kurta which I'm wearing, if you can see the embroidery, this is a Madhubani embroidery which has been done by the artisans of Bihar. So Sana Ahmed, who's also a subscriber, was kind enough to send me this kurta, which is a black linen kurta. Now this is 100% linen kurta with an embroidery which is inspired by the Madhubani art form of Bihar. Now Madhubani of course is a painting, but the same art embroidery they have done here. Some of the things that I would like to talk about the Irki production houses. First of all, they employ these local artisans from the embroidery ranges. So let's say for the Madhubani, they have artisans from Bihar for chikankari and the likes. So Sana was kind enough to send me this letter also, and this talks about the Irki production house as well. So she says that the colors in the apparel will not bleed or fade. Then she says that the threads which are purchased are from Anchor Threads and Company. So they are very good quality, and so the thread color does not also bleed. The material which is used is 100% linen, and I can feel it, like spend 2 or 3 months in France and you'll be able to feel the linen, and it's very good quality linen, I must tell you. And they say that the kurta that we are sending you is 100% pure linen, and the embroidery on it is the Madhubani art form, which is the local art form of Bihar. The embroidery done is completely handmade, and she says that this kurta is also not machine made. The tailors actually craft it, and after that they stitch it, which is why it's completely handmade. Now, of course, this is their endeavor to provide employment to the local artisans of Bihar. The price of this kurta is rupees 3800. Of course, I know it's a little on the expensive side, but if we see the kind of endeavor that this Irki production house is doing by giving employment to loads of artisans, and coming from Madhya Pradesh, like I have been to Chanderi and talking to the art workers there, because these art forms require hand embroidery and a lot of bunkari which is done with hand. People these days are not very ready to pay that much for Indian wear. While we are ready to pay for a Zara dress, we're not ready to pay let's say for a kurta, which is an Indian wear and focusing on the art forms. So I would really urge all of you at least to check all of the Irki production house works. They sell on Snapdeal and Amazon as well. Also, they have an Instagram page which I'll be linking down below, and some of the designs also which are there. Now with this kurta, I have created 3 looks. One is for the office wear, one is a contemporary ethnic wear which you can wear for a small ethnic kind of a function, and the third one is a brunch date kind of a look with friends or with family or with husband, of course. So hopefully you'll be liking this kind of a lookbook kind of a video. It's my first ever, and thank you very much again Sana for this kurta which is there. Firstly, I want to tell you I am size XL, so they have sizes as well, S to XL, and also this fits me like it is, tailor made for me. So the fit and everything is very nice. I'm sure you would see it in the lookbook as well. So now after the lookbook, hopefully you would like watching it. Again, thank you very much to the production house, the Irki production house. Keep up the good work, guys. I really support the Make in India campaign. Supporting our local artisans is extremely essential. After the lookbook now. So this is the Madhubani embroidery on the kurta. It has the entire Madhubani embroidery on the yoke till till the midriff. It comes the buta or the embroidery, and then there is a little bit on the sleeve, on the border on the sleeve. The entire rest of the kurta is black. The fabric is pure linen, so it will not shrink. Also, the threads are very much, the color is very much fast, and it would not bleed. So this is the entire yoke. back again. Hope you enjoyed the lookbook. I will be giving you certain pictures of some of the other designs also that is Irki has or Shop Irki has. They have a linen range, they have an 80% Georgette range which is going on, and a cotton blend range as well. So there's a variety of range to choose from and different embroideries as well. Do check the page out and also check them on Snapdeal. Hopefully you like them, and trust me, I'm wearing this kurta myself and you would not regret a purchase from this production house. I mean, it fits like couture. I'm sure you would have seen it. I guess मैं अपनी खुद की तारीफ कर रही हूँ, but it's okay at times. Thank you very much again for watching Beautiful Within. Have a really nice day. Bye bye.